Hello, today I will show you and I will try to make this top light here by myself because I can order it online. It's available. I already ordered it, but it's some issue with the supplier. 2-3 weeks now left and still nothing. I'm pissed off. I'm not gonna buy anymore from them, so I will try to make by myself. My original one is broken, but the bottom is there, so I will show you how I planning to make it. So mostly this parts is handmade, so why not? You take this cheese and the cover, you can just squish it. It's nice and tasty cheese. I'll show you now what I'm planning to do. It's good if it's heated, but like this still gonna work. Okay, now I will press this one. To have good like a profile in. Okay. Gently you remove it. There you go. That's what we need. Now I'm gonna use resin. I will color it. After, when I take the pieces, I will take off this one. I will glue it on the top, and that's it. Headache gone. Okay, it's not original part, but this one which I'm gonna buy is same thing. So that's it. I will do by myself. Mostly these cars you can do by yourself. It's old style. Just need to have some basic skills. Thank you. Right, I use the resin, is there. Now I'll spray a bit of paint just for color. I will mix it. Okay, I mix the paint, the resin, and now I'll show you. Look the color, exactly the same. And now I will put here in where will be the okay. And now we leave it to dry. Look how it looks, exactly the same. After, I know it's not gonna be exactly the same, I will sand it and I make the shape. I will glue it, and that's it, done. Thank you. This is the ready product. I sand it a bit to make a shape. So now I will wash it with water and I will glue to the original pieces which is left there, and that's it. It's done. All this headache for 3 minutes work. I unscrew the bolt who hold the light. I pull out this now. There you go. So I will need these red pieces here now. Okay, the light indicator is off. Previously I show you how to make this part, but I already bought it brand new, so I have it new and homemade also, how you can see from the previous video. I buy some seals I'll put that O-ring here for seal and I will install it. That's pretty much. You have to open these things to can unpack the deflector from here, other way it will be harder. This is how it look when it's ready. That's it for today.